Got it.
Welcome to From Rome Info Video, and as you can see, today I'm going to talk to you about the Battle Flag of Lepanto. My name is Brother Alexis Paniello, and From Rome Info is an electronic journal for news and information about the Catholic Church, Rome, and Italy. Lepanto, one of the greatest naval battles in history. It's studied in every naval military school, academy in the world, even to this day. It took place on October 7th, 1571 AD. And it was between the Catholic Armada of Spain, the papacy, and Venice, and the Ottoman Empire. In that year, the Ottomans launched the largest armada in the history of Islam, and their objective was to take Cyprus and Italy. Spies at Istanbul informed the Pope, and St. Pius V, who was the Pope at that time, a great Dominican, he formed the Holy League in May of that year. And he got the Kingdom of Spain, the Republic of Venice, and Don Juan of Austria to sign an alliance with him and assemble a huge armada of ships, galleys, and marines to repel the invasion. They were intending to meet the Ottomans off the coast of Cyprus, but Cyprus was taken and fell before they could even muster. The Catholic Armada came together at Messina in the straits between Italy and Sicily in that year in August and set sail under the command of the High Admiral Marc Antonio Colonna, one of the greatest members of the Italian Colonna family. And this is his battle flag, or I should say it is the historical reproduction of that flag. And Ordo Militaris Inc., a Catholic company that helps persecuted Christians, owns the rights to this flag, and we sell this to raise the funds to help Catholics who are victims of terrorism, or any Christians victims of terrorism. And we've helped in places like Armenia, Lebanon, Iraq, India, Africa, and Ukraine. So at noon on the 7th of October, the Catholic Armada encountered the Ottoman fleet at Naupactos in Greece, that's western Greece, and Naupactos in Italian is Lepanto, and that's why it's called the Battle of Lepanto. So at this battle is Marc Antonio Colonna, who's going to raise his flag at noon to tell the Catholic Armada to begin attacking. Don Juan of Austria, who was the leader of the Spanish Marines, and among that forces was Cervantes, who wrote the famous Spanish work of literature, Don Quixote. And this flag, not only it was a sign of faith for Catholics, as you can see it has the Christ crucified on it, and not only a sign of the alliance with the four naval powers there indicated, but it was also the battle plan of the fleet, because it told the fleet to get into three groups, two of which had cannon, and to fire at the enemy by raking their holes. And that was their strategy that day. And by nightfall, they had won the victory, destroying the Ottoman navy so thoroughly that the Ottomans could never master a fleet capable of strategic engagement in the Mediterranean. And that day, St. Pius V was informed of the victory by angelic intervention, and he gave thanks. Now, to prepare for this battle, St. Pius X asked all the Catholics of Europe to say the Rosary of the Blessed Virgin Mary, and that's indicated on the borders by these bead-like objects. And so he attributed the victory to Our Lady and established a feast called the Feast of Our Lady of Victories. And centuries later, it was renamed the Feast of Our Lady of the Rosary. So this is also the flag of Our Lady of the Rosary. Now, if you'd like to get one of these flags, you look in the links to this show page on my YouTube channel, or the links on any page where this video is being shared, and you can get a copy of this flag mailed to any address in the United States. It's only being shipped in the United States, and it makes a great wall art or a chapel decoration for Our Lady of the Rosary, or it's great to carry in processions of the Blessed Sacrament or processions of Our Lady. So this is an absolute fabulous flag. It's printed on nylon. It's durable. Um, don't iron it though. And you can see it has the colors on both sides, although it's most brilliant on this side. And we've been selling this flag since 2017. We've always had satisfied customers. So please get a flag or several, and let everyone else know that this flag is available. We are the only company in the world that produces this flag, and all the proceeds go to help persecuted Christians. So this is a win-win situation. Thank you, and God bless.